Now, let's talk about the high quality of code. So maybe touch base on some of the tools or what you use on a day-to-day basis, Richard, that enables that kind of pressure we have on whenever clients requesting software development project from us in 2025.
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously matching the expectation from the time delivery means that as engineers, we have to leverage the AI tools that we have day to day and do it in a way that is responsible, because in the end, you want to be the expert behind these tools. You do not want to follow these tools blindly. And that is extremely important when you're building anything, that you make sure that you are the master behind the code, behind how it's getting built. And you can leverage these AI tools just to help speed up the process of the nitty-gritty stuff. So that is kind of the mindset behind it, which is really critical to get that right. And then once you get past that, now you look into what kind of tools you can use to streamline certain processes. For example, PR reviews. There's a lot of tools out there that can automate that now, suggesting improved ways of solving said problem, or even automating the part of fixing the problem. Let's say if there's something, some bad code in your PR, you can use that. Also, a lot of the language models and AI tools now directly integrate with IDEs, which is something that definitely we use inside our company to get that quick suggestion and improvement kind of communication with AI. But obviously, again, going back to the mindset, the developer's mindset is really important here, to always be the one that is reviewing and understanding what the AI is actually coding, what is it suggesting to use, and still go back to some of the usual practices that we go for, like follow the documentation, cross-check that it's using the right approach of solving that problem. And that's what I would say.
If we think about where you just touch points as such an important topic, it's reviewing code, right? So whenever you build a product, you know, you've got a number of developers working on it, and you've got the way our team is structured is that we want to have multiple people who reviews each other code. Now, in the past, we monitor this as like, okay, how much time are we spending on doing code reviews? And we looked at that, we're like, wow, I mean, we're spending, you know, a number of hours on a daily basis. So now that could be efficientized, optimized, directly integrate that, and there are lots of different, you know, tools that does that very well. And when you add the human element to it, it could get even better, which then gives back time to the senior engineer to focus on what really more important for the client, which is, why are we building this product in the first place? We're building it to solve a problem, to deliver this product to a client, so then that client can deliver success. So thinking the business mindset with the development is critical. So